Today, let's talk metabolic diabetes. Hindi lang tumataas ang sugar ng type 2 diabetes. Metabolic ito. Ibig sabihin, paano kumakain ng energy ang cells mo nasisira. Imagine your body as a city. Glucose is the food delivery, insulin is the rider, and ang cells ang bahay na kumakain. Sa healthy body, insulin knocks, cell opens, glucose enters, and energy created. Pero kapag metabolic breakdown, insulin knocks, pero hindi pinapansin. This is insulin resistance. Resulta, sugar stays in the blood, energy slows down. Fat grows up, and cravings go wild. Then, inflammation rises. Kaya, kasama dyan ang belly fat, fatigue, the blood pressure problems, fatty liver, cholesterol issues, at eventually, type 2 diabetes. At real talk, tahimik muna siya, starts with, lagi akong pagod, ang bagal ng metabolism ko, bakit belly ang lumalaki? Tulog, pero laging pagod pa rin. Hindi ito tamad syndrome. It's metabolic stress. The good news, body heals when supported. With smarter food strategy, metabolic timing, sleep repair, movement, stress harmonizing, and targeted supplementation. If you're curious or low-key concerned, DM Metabolic for free assessment. No pressure, just guidance. This is Nurse Verlaine, your health advocate queen saying, let's help one another.